Welcome. Thank you to have accepted our invitation. I think that the data of the company, numbers, policy will be a task of Matteo, the managing director. My position is the position of the old people participating to the venture and to try to give you the spirit of the company, not the numbers, the spirit. That's very important, you know. And allow me, first of all, to say that we have here two of the pillars of the company. Professor Marco Vitale, that was with me just at the beginning, and Professor Marchi of the Polytechnic. But please, innovation for the people, Louvre, the Louvre people, that they are the real strengths of the company. So my few words will be devoted to the people Louvre, all the people Louvre, because if we are here, because there is diligent people, efficient people, they were part of the growth of the company. You know that Louvre grew 60 times. So the growth is due to the talented people who was from the beginning and then now in the lucky venture. When I said, why? I said, Marco, which could be the name of the company. They said, I don't know. And I said, as we are asking for the venture capital, so we can call the company Lucky Venture. We need lucky in our operation. And I would say that it was a good name for the company because the people who participated to the venture, they were talented people. And I would like to remember here, in addition to the two pillars, the young people that now they are less young, Mr. Filippini was a part of the company starting from, I don't know, 93 maybe. He got a Borsa and he was educated at the Louvre style. And then I don't see Mr. Boroni, and the other one is Mr. Macchi, our chief of the financial operation, that joined the company in '99. So we have a long story. And I must, instead of giving you information about numbers, I would like to, as I said, to give you the spirit, to transfer which is the spirit of the company. I remember that one of the first partners of the company was Luigi Fagioli. Thank you. And if I can summarize the aspect of the people, I said we need talented people because we have an uneasy job at the time. At the beginning, we have venture capitalists with us, passion money, that stayed with us for some years, maybe 5, 6 years, starting from Eurovenka, Turin, and Sofifa of Rome, and so on. And then we have industrialists as a partner, and then good bankers. Mediobanca was our partner. So it means that we had the possibility through these good people, these talented people, to have all the needs to organize the growth of the company. When I fixed the strategy, I put an emblematic indication. I said, which is the strategy of Louvre? The Louvre strategy is the golden triangle. What does it mean? That there is a base, innovation. We have to grow through innovation. And then the other sides were growth, and then to have money to invest. For 20 years, Louvre didn't make any dividend. All the money was put in the business. But money is not sufficient. We have in our indication, we say, companies are women, men, and ideas. And to have good ideas, you need to have talented people, you know. And Matteo was one of the talented people who joined the family in the 94 after an experience in Arthur Andersen, at the time a very good, the best company in the world. And then recently even Fabio. So it means that I have the fortune to have good pillars, good people with us, and then we have, of course, when you have talented people, you need to maintain, to try to have the talent active in order to get good result. And so if you want to be innovator, you have to cultivate people for innovation. This was done on the, first of all, with the money, the initial money, venture capital, and then with the application of the best of the technology. And Louvre was one of the companies that moved this segment of the market towards the local production for machinery, for the growth, for the innovation in products, and so on. The spirit of the company is then to activate the people of the talented people. Once I read that there was a writer, he was asked, which are the basics of your success? And he said, to write 5% inspiration, 95% perspiration. So that's the point. We want to have to give to our people this target. Not only perspiration, but inspiration. Inspiration, it means to have the willing to increase the knowledge, the humility to feel everybody is in an action to improve the personal knowledge, the personal ability to participate to the venture. But we have another point, passion, you know, that's fundamental. So you have The basic principles of the company are put there, but brains are the fundamental of the company. Women, men, and ideas. Stefano Paleari joined our company 7 years ago. But I cannot now to remember all the people, but I thank you. Everybody was part of this venture that it was really a lucky venture. So to have a synthetic view of Louvre, I think that we have to say is an easy secret. The success of Louvre is the people of Louvre. We can send a message to all our people not here. And I am sure that Matteo will give you all the information. Matteo was one of the fortune of the company because he stayed in Bocconi, and then after 3-4 years of education, I call it education in Arthur Andersen, he joined